Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ashfaq Ali. As you all know, today I am talking about the NGOs. The full form of the NGOs, the non-governmental organizations. The NGOs, they are work for the whole over the world and also the whole over the Pakistans. The NGOs work, they help to the poor people, and they, especially their purpose, their aims, they go on that places, their peoples, they facing the problems, and they go on that places, and then they solve the people's problem, and especially the NGOs give the basic things to the peoples, just like as food, clothes, they make the water plant, and also they make the houses and then give the poor peoples. And then they give, and then they guide to the peoples how to live, how to eat, how to work, and it means they aware to the peoples. Now come to the point what I thinking about that, about the NGOs. I know the NGOs work for the poverty, but a very few NGOs, their work, they go to the villages and they collect all information about the family background. Why? Here is a question. Why? Because their work, they help to the poor people. Why they collect the information? Because, and then they collect all our informations, and then they are sharing to the international level. We have no idea about these things. Please understand my point, what I can say. And then they sharing all informations to international level, and they earn the funding, and we have no idea if our information give to our enemies, and then they are easily traced with the help of satellite, and then they give us a lot of damages with the faces of anything. I am not against the NGOs. I am very I am against a very few NGOs. They are work for they are work for the devil countries. And here I am little bit example for the two nations. The one is the Sham and one is the Iraq. Once upon a time, the NGOs work for in these two nations, and then a very short times the whole nation facing two totally destructions. And also, and then these are their purpose, their aims, their NGOs aim. They use the women. They tell to women, they come on the front, and they come on the front, and they ask they ask to give our rights, especially I am not going to all over the world. I am example on my own country, the Pakistan. A very I think 9 to 10 month ago, our women, they come on the Islamabad, and they told us, and they told to give our rights. They just like as and they told mera jism meri marzi, Motarma Marvi Sarmand. You all know who is she. I am not interested her, and they support, and it is very embarrassing for those women. They are supporting to these type of march. It's very embarrassing. I'm not against the women. I'm against those women. They are supporting to these type of march. Why? Because alhamdulillah, we are very happy to our religions. Why we support these type of march? Alhamdulillah, in our Islam, our Islam give us a lot of rights for our women. Why? And then our government responsibility. What are doing our government? Our government responsibility. They take the strict action against these few NGOs, and then their NGOs, their purpose, they are damage to our defense forces. Especially I am talking about Pakistan, Pak Army, because especially I'm example. I'm talking about my own self. I'm not against my Pak Army, because I'm not against my roof, because My roof is my Pak army. If I am against, if I damage my roof, and then I am not leave the easily. If I am support my roof, then Alhamdulillah I am relax, I am take it easy, I am live the good life. My roof is my Pak army. So these are type of we must get the knowledge about these things. We have no idea about these things. I hope you understand what I can say these type of NGOs. Assalamu alaikum.